Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Park the Range Rover on level ground and engage the parking brake before you begin. Keep the key fob inside the vehicle within 3 feet to ensure wireless systems stay active. Turn the ignition to accessory mode for 2 seconds and then back to off. This wakes the vehicle electronics without starting the engine. If you will access electrical components, disconnect the negative battery terminal or follow manufacturer guidance for OBD2 tools. Wear gloves and safety glasses and allow the system 15 seconds to stabilize before proceeding. To enter service mode, sit in the driver's seat with the key fob present and press, and hold the start/stop button for 3 seconds while keeping the brake pedal depressed to enter diagnostic standby. Within 10 seconds of standby, cycle the ignition to accessory and off 3 times, then access the main menu on the touchscreen and choose the Service or Technician submenu. Press the Service Mode button and confirm the action. The dash will display Service Mode active, and the infotainment will show Technician options, indicating the vehicle is in service mode. When finished, exit service mode by selecting Exit Service Mode on the touchscreen, and then cycle the ignition to start the engine within 20 seconds to restore normal operation. If any functions remain locked or error messages persist, reboot the infotainment by holding the volume knob for 10 seconds and reattempt exit. Always record fault codes with an OBD2 scanner and clear codes only after completing repairs. Never drive the vehicle if airbags, ABS, or other safety systems are disabled. Reconnect the negative battery terminal if you previously disconnected it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.